baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be.
Okay, y'all, so I have on the unit. Now this one is just like the black one that everybody loves so much, but this one has color, which I am really excited about. I do want to show you guys the lace on the unit. Looks pretty cute. So this is a pre-everything unit, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Lace is cut, but I had to cut it a little bit more, of course, because y'all know it comes like crinkly. And then this is the little curls on the ends. Really cute, but y'all know we don't walk around with the curls on the ends. But it's cute. The hair is really, really soft. This unit can be worn glueless, deep parting on the unit. So we love that. Here is the color. So pretty. I cannot wait to style this. I love how the color is blended in there. Can y'all see that? Really, really pretty. Love the curls. Gorgeous, gorgeous curls. So I am going to style this the way that I would wear it. To get the full luscious curls, you want to wash and condition the hair. So I'm gonna wash and condition it while it's on my head. That's why I decided to go ahead and use some spray to spray the lace down, because I'm gonna be wearing this unit because I love this unit. But again, here is the little curls at the end. And I think it's really cute, really fun unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. Okay, y'all, so it is several hours later and this is how the hair turned out. I love it. Like, it's so pretty. I love the way that the color is like peeking through at the bottom. Love that so much. The girls are gonna love this, but you guys are gonna see it first. So the description box has all of the information. I have my light off because I want you guys to see the color as much as possible. It's still a little damp, but the color is like around here and I love that. Like, I like how the color is just kind of peeking through. This is the back. It's still a little damp, which is the way that I like it. And then as you guys can see, I like to cut the bangs in the front. But how cute is this? Like, everybody loved, okay, love the last one. So I know you girls are gonna love, love, love this one just as much as I do. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below. Good morning, y'all. Today is Monday, December 1st. Happy December. I hope you guys have prayed over your month, set your intentions for the month, and ready to get shit done, okay? I am getting ready to take my son to school and then go to the gym. I plan on having a very strict diet this week because, girl, I got on that scale this morning. And them extra 5 pounds, I don't like that. Workout outfit of the day. So the back is out a bit. I wish it was a little lower, but it's cute. This is in a size medium. I like it. And then I have this little cropped hoodie that I'm gonna wear over it. Take this off. So I'll link this if you guys are interested. This cropped. This, the elbows on the back, if you guys are wondering. Yeah. And this is my outfit for the gym. I'm gonna put on a little headband. And then I gotta clean up. I have some clean clothes in the basket that's been in the basket since Wednesday. Well, no, because I think last Monday. Last Monday, because I didn't wash, I usually wash clothes on Sunday. I didn't wash clothes last Sunday. I washed them on Monday. And the clothes are still in the basket. So I gotta put those up. I got towels and stuff I need to fold that I don't feel like doing. So, yeah. I look a little bloated to me, but don't this look so cute? Don't just love. Just got back in from the post office. I'm hoping that this is the jacket. Yep, it is. And we're gonna try this on. And then this is from, it says C, bottom of the label. But it doesn't sound, whatever it is, it sounds like it's broke. It says fragile all around it. Fragile, fragile, do not throw. Oh yeah, it's broke. See, something like this, you have to wrap up in like styrofoam and bubble wrap, because it's definitely gonna break. Oh, but she sent me the vase that I used to have. She sent it to me. Look at that. It came broken, which sucks, but this was so nice. I'm so sad. Please call the post office and see if they can refund you somehow, because I think when you send packages, it's like $100 insurance on it already. So that sucks, but this was super nice, and I thank you so much. So we're gonna try this jacket on. Y'all know that this is the you might as well call it the YSL dupe, because that's what the Zara jacket is. It's a YSL dupe. So we'll just call this the YSL dupe. But this one is the medium. The Zara jacket that I have is a size large. And I got this one from the TikTok shop. Oh my gosh, it looks the exact same. And this one was $30 something, y'all. Like crazy. Crazy. Oh, wow. And it's not much of a difference at all. Like, look at this. The same. But I like the way that this one fits. It's not as big. And I feel like I can wear this one with a lot more. Today is December 4th. It's Lily's birthday today. It's your birthday. Hey, she's 1 year old today, y'all. Can y'all believe it? Time is flying, okay? My little poo is 1 year old today. It's 9:30. I'm on my way out because I need to go to the town center to Gucci. I bought these sunglasses and they're not leveled. When I tried them on when I got home, because I tried on a pair in the store and then y'all know they go in the back and box them up, but not the actual pair that I tried on. So when I put these on when I got home, they're like crooked. So I'm gonna see if they can fix that, but they're so cute. Look at these. They're so nice. I don't have them behind my ear so you can't really tell, but they're not leveled at all on my face. Like this side, it's just, they just kind of go like to the side a little bit. So I don't know what's up with that, but how cute are these? So pretty. I love the lenses on these so much, but again, I gotta take these up there to see if they can fix that, because these were a pretty penny. But I got them for my birthday, so they don't say the name, but they have the item number, so maybe when I link them, I can find them on the website, so we'll see. But oh, excuse me, but I want to be the first one in there. They open at 10 o'clock, so I'm gonna go ahead and head up there, and then I need to see where Kalila is, because we're supposed to go see Lily for her birthday. She's having a birthday party on Saturday. I'm going over her house tomorrow to do her hair, and yeah, I just left my little poo. I'm so excited for her. So I'm gonna see if we still going over there, because I have to be back over here in time to pick up little Tony from school. So I might go over there today, or maybe just see her tomorrow, because I'm going over there anyway. So okay, y'all, just left the Gucci store and they exchanged them. One of the arms were actually longer than the other ones, but they don't have the tools to do the adjustment, so they would have had to send them off or order a new pair, because they didn't have any more in the store. So I told her that I would take the ones on display as long as they didn't have any like scratches or anything on the lens, and he cleaned them up for me. So, and he said they're new, so I tried this pair on. We checked to make sure that they were leveled and everything is good. So this is how they look. They're so nice. Love them. So yeah, I'm super happy with these. Really pretty. So now I'm going to pick up Kalila. We're gonna stop and get my niece like a little sweet treat and go sing happy birthday to her. I'll try to link these. I have to find them online because I don't know the name of them. But they're so nice. So nice. I'm gonna wear these all the time. We got her first bouquet of roses. We got her one cupcake. Hopefully her mom will let her eat it. And then we got, show the balloon. How cute is this balloon? Because y'all know she's having a birthday party, a Minnie Mouse birthday party Saturday. That's so cute. You gotta hold it so it don't. And the lady in Publix was so sweet. She opened the cupcakes, like the pack of cupcakes, and gave us one out. I didn't know they could do that. Morning, y'all. Today's Friday. I am waiting for my niece's blanket to dry so I can take that to her house. I'm getting ready to go do her hair for her birthday party tomorrow. I'm so excited. I hope you guys like the Christmas decor so far. The tree will be much fuller underneath, like once I put the real gifts and things like that up under there. So all of that will be completely full. But I do want to do a centerpiece for the dining room table. I'm doing a DIY. It's like a remake of something that I saw on Pinterest. Mine is gonna be prettier, no tea, no shade, but mine's gonna be prettier. But it's just the same kind of idea, but it's gonna be different. I just was inspired by something on Pinterest, but I'm of course gonna make it my own because that's what I do. We don't copy and paste over here. So I plan on doing that. I have to check Hobby Lobby to make sure, either Hobby Lobby or Michael's, to make sure that the florals are on sale, that what I'm looking for can run about $11.99 per stem. So I have to get that stuff once they have a sale, because girl, ain't nobody got time for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Love you, mean it.